Hello everyone, it's Nikki and I have more CBD videos for you today. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm super excited. I've been waiting for this. World's Pipe, they sent me a box of goodies. Oh my gosh. They sent me this box of goodies right here and we're gonna open it together. Unboxing a box of goodies. Oh, I'm so excited for this. Oh, we got peanuts. Yay! Let's throw peanuts. Peanut fight. I'm making a mess. I'm on a lot of CBD. I just had a tincture, some vape. I'm gonna have some more. Alright, let's see what they gave me. A bunch of, I really enjoy the peanuts, you know, classic. I haven't gotten this in a long time. I haven't gotten a box of packing peanuts in a long time and I love to have fun. World's Pipe sent me a bunch of goodies and it's in here. Thank you so much, World's Pipe. World's Pipe. I love that name. World Pipe, pipe. Anyways, I'm going crazy, you know what I'm saying? This is what CBD does to me. It gets me crazy in a good way. And it makes me feel chill and calm. So I got these. Oh, don't you want me to throw this paper? Yeah. All right. Let's adjust my glasses. Okay, so they sent me some awesome stuff. Oh my gosh, I'm getting super excited. Look at this. What did they send me? Black and white, yo. Black and white. So, World's Vape. Personal oil pen, variable temperature, a gold and a silver. Oh my gosh. This is the starter kit. So it's the Li-ion battery, refillable ceramic wickless oil cartridge, 0.5 ml, USB charger, user manual. So both of these. So silver and gold, I got this. They sent me this. Thank you. And they sent me this. It says lavender. Oh my gosh, I love lavender. Hemp derived CBD extracts, natural essential oil. Oh, so this is lavender. So this is essential oil CBD oil. I love lavender. I love lavender. And this one is Crème Brûlée. Oh my god. Oh. I love Crème Brûlée. I love Crème Brûlée. So this is 0.5 ml. How many mgs is this? 250 mgs, and this one is 150 mgs. Organic, non-GMO vegetable glycerin, pure CBD, natural flavoring. Oh, this is not even artificial. This is totally natural, pure CBD, organic, non-GMO vegetable glycerin. Oh my gosh. You guys knew what I liked. You guys knew. You guys read my mind. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Thank you so much, World's Pipe. This is awesome. I'm going to try it. So I want to try the Crème Brûlée first. So let me open this. Let's open this. Look at this. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. So elegant. I have it upside down. This is so freaking beautiful. Can you believe it? So we're gonna, oh my gosh, look how it opens. Oh my gosh, that is so awesome. Oh my gosh, look at it. Look at this beautifulness. What is this? Oh, the charger's behind there. The charger's behind there, and some instructions. And some 90-day warranty. This is awesome. Okay, I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna show you up close. Look at this beauty. Oh, this is so beautiful. The color, it is so absolutely beautiful. And the bottom is World's Pipe logo. That's such a good name. World's Pipe, WP. I guess I'm gonna have to fill this. I think I need the directions. I need it. I need, oh, user manual. 5 clicks to turn on, 3 clicks to adjust temperature. Press and hold. Here we go again. Unscrew the metal mouthpiece to expose the chamber. Slowly fill it up from the sides using syringe. A syringe? Let me open the creme brulee. Whoa, buddy. Whoa, buddy. Woo! Oh my gosh, creme brulee. Creme brulee. Lift here. Madagascar vanilla bean and a touch of caramel. Oh, just had a spaz out moment. So, oh, this is already, I thought this was an oil. No, here we go. Here we go, look at this. This is glass. This is what it looks like. Creme brulee. Creme brulee. Alright, creme brulee. Let's try you. Let's try you. Creme brulee. Let's take this off. This is actually silver with the gold. Ooh. This is silver with the gold. So let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, rainbow. Oops, I think I turned it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On. Now I'm gonna press and hold it for it. Ooh. It's preheating. Ooh. Okay, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is so sexy. This is so freaking delicious. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I feel like 24 carats right now. 24 carats. 24 karat magic in the air. Ah, 24 karat magic in the air. Let's take a hit for that. This is yummy. I love the flavored ones. And it's natural, no artificial. I've never seen creme brulee. Maybe there is. I personally just never seen it. Thank you so much, World's Pipe, for introducing this to me. This is my thing. I'm gonna be getting this all the time. I swear. This is delicious, you guys. You guys have outdone yourself. You have to try this. I'm serious. This is great. It has like a tinge of caramel, a hint of vanilla in the background. I barely taste any earthiness from CBD. It's awesome. Here you go. What's up? I wish you guys can try it. You gotta check out World's Pipe. Seriously, this has gotta be #1 my top fave and all CBDs. Like, yo, I had a strawberry one from another place, Diamond CBD. This blows that away. I feel good. I'm always doing that with my hand when I'm exhaling. This is delicious. I can't stop. This video is gonna be super long of just me just hitting this because it's delicious. I gotta turn it off. I gotta turn it off. Thank you. That was delicious. I absolutely enjoyed myself with that one. Absolutely enjoyed it. Absolutely. Now I'm gonna open this one. The silver one. I'm so excited to try the lavender. This is, you guys have outdone yourselves. I'm sorry. Guys, you blew me away. How can I need to open this? You blew me away. I'm blown away. All right, let's open this beauty right here. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, can you believe it? Can you believe it? World's Pipe. Let's try the lavender. Let's try the lavender. Whoa, lavender. Lavender. Hemp-derived CBD. Oh. Wait a minute. This is... Hey! This is a vape pen. Is this a vape pen? Look. I'm so surprised. This is a disposable, I think. Look. Oh my gosh. Look at the tip. This is awesome. I thought this was just like a cartridge. Look. It says World's Pipe. World's Pipe. Awesome. World's Pipe. And this is matte. This is a black matte. It's so super cute compared to, it's a little bit smaller than their regular pen, their personal vape oil pen. This is a disposable, I guess. Ooh! I guess you just inhale this because it's disposable. It's a matte. I love the matte feel. Absolutely. Let's try it. This tastes like, I don't necessarily taste lavender, but I'm sure it's in there because it said it is. It's just like a good, like maybe like a really hint of lavender. Let me try just for the taste. I'm not gonna really inhale it. I just want to taste it. Woo! Oh. Woo! This is cool. I love doing it through my nose. I did it by accident before. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm having fun. It's so smoky in here. It's gonna dissipate. This is delish. It's like very light. It's a lighter flavor than the creme brulee. I love World's Pipe. Yo, I love the creme brulee. Thank you so much. I really enjoy it. I highly recommend it. Highly. Caramel, vanilla, delicious, light, airy. It feels good. I feel good. Ugh. Let's do more. I love this. This is my favorite. I'm shopping at your store forever. Like, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. This is one of my favorite CBD shops. I swear. Oh my gosh, this blows all the other ones. I'm never ordering from any other ones again. I mean, I'm gonna try some more, but this is it. This is where it is. This is fire. Total fire, fire, fire. Fire. Oh my gosh, let me try some more creme brulee. Oh my gosh. Gotta lick your lips afterwards, even though there's nothing there, but it's delicious. Thank you so much. Thank you. I don't even know how many times I said thank you. This is delicious. Thank you. Thank you so much for letting me try your products. World's Pipe. World's Pipe. Thank you. So guys, totally, definitely check out World's Pipe. You have to check out World's Pipe. Go to www.worldspipe.com. I'm going to leave all the information down below, all the links to everything down below. That's World's Pipe, www.worldspipe.com. Go check it out. Absolutely enjoy it. I feel good. I feel calm. I feel chill. Blankets and upon blankets of light blankets thrown on me. So that's the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to me, guys. You know you want to see more videos of me. But on a real note, I really appreciate everyone who subscribes to me and says nice things and positive things to me. I really enjoy that. I really appreciate it. I really do. It keeps me going to make videos and having fun doing this. It's totally my hobby and I really enjoy it. So thank you for your support, everyone. All the people who send me good positive messages and support. Like I said, I'm going to be loving, hearting, commenting you back, replying you back if you leave me cool, like positive, good vibe like comments. And then now for all you other people who want to like rag on me and do all those other things, negative vibes, like you could just like get out of here with that. I'm totally ignoring it. No hearts, no replies. I'm just ignoring that. I don't have time for that. So on that note, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
That's good.